This is where the magic happens. Just kidding. So today, digging into the other side of my bedroom because I can't get out of bed today. Quite simply. Hey look, this is the blanket I've been crocheting for years. Could have shown that on my earliest memory, but it's fine. Whatever, right? So anyway, today I'm going to talk to you about the delightful topics of junior musicals. Because apparently that is a thing. It needs to stop, quite frankly. Indeed. Here's the thing. When I was in 8th grade, I was in Into the Woods Junior. And in case you don't know about Into the Woods, go watch it, number one. Number two, Into the Woods is a very, very good show, which in the second act, they include a lot of topics that aren't children appropriate, such as killing, murder, rape, pregnancies, sex, all these topics that you would never expect children to really talk about or have knowledge of. Why would you create a junior version of that in the first place, right? Sure, let's create a junior version of a show that has this challenging topics that children will never understand. That sounds like a great idea. No. Because you know what happened in my version of Into the Woods? They cut out the entire second act. The entire second act was completely gone, which means that you don't get to find out what happens. I was Cinderella in Into the Woods. So my ending was, oh yes, typical ending of Cinderella. She finds a prince. But in Into the Woods, it's not all that happy as it is. So basically, what these junior versions of musicals are doing, they're kind of like low grading the quality of these musicals that they already are, destroying the content that they have, which is absolutely ridiculous. Another one that I have done, a lot of junior musicals, just kidding, it was only like a couple, but we did Guys and Dolls Junior. Another one that's like, it's kind of borderline, you know, it's got gambling, drinking, and oh, right, Adelaide's Dance with her Hotbox Girls. I was one of the Hotbox Girls. The junior version is modified, taking it from Sexy Kittens to Farmer Girls. Yeah, very, not how it originally was. Singing in a hotbox, otherwise known as a nightclub, dancing for money. If you're not getting it, Adelaide was quite the hot dancer. And they created this as a junior version for people like when I was in middle school before. I don't know why they feel the need to do this, to ruin a completely good musical and make it into a junior version. I mean, just put the kids in Seussical, the musical. Makes it so much easier. Just put them in a musical they can understand. Annie, yeah, kids don't have that much talent, don't put them in a musical, or put them in an easier one. But why, for all reasons, do you have to create a junior musical? Why do you have to ruin the original content? Just saying. Bree, can't wait to see your punishment. It'll make my day. I will see you tomorrow. Oh, by the way, I also enjoyed your magazines. I was quite the Tiger Beat collector, which is an even lower version of Girls' Life, if you can believe that. It was horrible. So, yeah. Completely connected right there. Well, I will see you tomorrow.